Keeping copies of your business reports can help you share information, maintain records, and analyze your performance outside of Sage SoulTrader. Sage SoulTrader makes it easy to export reports whenever you need them. In this video, we'll show you how to export a report in the web app. To get started, navigate to Reports. Then, open the report you want to export. You can adjust the date range, comparison period, grouping options, and report settings as required before exporting. This helps ensure the information you share is accurate and up-to-date. When you're ready to export your report, click the Share drop-down, then click Export. Select a file type for the export. Your options are PDF, Excel, or CSV. Once you have made your selection, click Export. The report is then downloaded to your device and can be opened using compatible software. You can use the exported file to share information with your accountant, keep a copy for your records, or carry out further analysis. If you need to send the report directly to someone, you can do this without leaving Sage SoulTrader. Using the Share drop-down menu, choose this option. Again, choose your preferred file format, then click Next. Enter the details of the email and click here to send the report. And that's how you export reports in Sage SoulTrader. Exporting reports gives you a simple way to save, share, and work with your business information whenever you need it.